Trinity Media Marketing is organizing the first conference on 3D printing in India. It is called 3D Printing World Expo in Mumbai. So 3D printing is going to revolutionize the future as far as the machining is concerned, as well as product size is concerned. 3D printing is a boon for students also, particularly for students in manufacturing engineering, mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering.
Let me begin first with complimenting Mr. Shibu Jawan, CEO of Trinity Media, having organized this 3D printing expo for the first time. A unique experiment to go a long way in building our budding engineers, taking this technology forward to the next level, more so in the manufacturing domain, where we look at 3D printing as on-demand manufacturing, substituting the conventional forms.
Today, 3D printing has grown into a set of technologies which are making stories every field, be it in aerospace, to homes, NASA, to artists, or it is researchers to kindergarten.
Not just the machine that's important. You, as you've heard from Saurabh's talk earlier, the materials are actually the key to the technology.
Yes, madam. It is really difficult as of now, with due respects to all the specialities, right from the resective person to the reconstructive person to the rehabilitative person. The incidence is quite low as of now. That's where we need to build the consensus. Probably it is going to take a while before the combination comes in, because India is a vast country. Training is at different levels. The economic levels are at different levels, because right now, initially, it was purely curative intent.
Yes.
Then came the reconstructive intent. Now, slowly, the rehabilitative intent is also coming in the picture.
I want to thank the organizers of the conference and to congratulate the other award winners. I am honored to receive the award for 3D printing in medical and healthcare. In this arena of 3D printing, our goal is to print living cells to engineer replacement tissues and organs. Of course, there is still much to accomplish. Some of our specific challenges include improving printing resolution and keeping the printed tissues alive until they can integrate with the body. The opportunities are almost limitless. An important aspect of success in this field is collaboration. This conference has tackled the huge task of bringing together participants in a variety of industries that use 3D printing so that we may learn from each other and move the field forward.
Today, Dr. Saurabh Ghosh shared with us about how they got inspired by the silkworm laying down their saliva in the form of silk, and that inspired them for tissue engineering. That was marvelous, I think, simulation and simile that you shared with us. So, your response, please.
Thank you so much. I am feeling really honored and humbled that they have recognized our work. But I am also feeling extremely motivated. Now we have to really do the hard work.
I thank Trinity Media and and Marketing Solutions for awarding us with this Innovation in Dental Services of the Year. We've been working in this particular area for more than 8 to 10 years, and I think the Trinity is taking the whole initiative in a much larger platform, right from bringing all the people who are working in this field together, at the same time trying to disseminate to more and more people, offering a better cooperation amongst the different service areas which are being offered. Thank you very much, Shibu, for offering this and creating this platform for all people associated with this technology. Thank you very much.
Much Shivu and your team for this honor. More important is the fact that you got us talking. There's a wide variety of collaboration that needs to be done, and you have given us a platform. We look forward to many more developments coming with you. Thanks a lot.